Hello everyone and welcome to this Castmagic review, possibly the most powerful AI tool for content creators. If you're a content creator, especially in the podcasting world, you're always looking for tools to save time and boost your workflow. Well, today we're having a focus on Castmagic. This is an AI-powered tool that promises to revolutionize how you repurpose your audio content. Before we begin, we've put a link in the description so you can easily gain access to Castmagic and begin to boost your productivity right after this video. And starting with the features, Castmagic positions itself as a powerful AI assistant to content creators, focusing on extracting maximum value from your audio. So here's a breakdown. Transcription. Castmagic accurately transcribes your audio, thus saving you hours of manual work. Timestamps. It automatically generates timestamps, making it easy to navigate and reference specific parts of your content. Show notes. Castmagic creates detailed show notes, summarizing key points and making your content more accessible. Magic Chat. This feature allows you to interact with your audio content using AI, asking questions and getting specific information. Multiple content outputs. Castmagic can generate various content formats, including social media posts, blog posts, and more. So here are a few use cases. You can use Castmagic with your YouTube videos to find clips, hooks, and quotes from YouTube videos in seconds. For podcasts, you can turn your podcasts into an email, blog post, social media post, and more. Sales call. You can generate sales call summaries and follow-up emails in seconds. And there's much more with Castmagic. And now I would like to talk about the pricing. Castmagic offers a tier subscription model and you can save 40% by paying annually. There are 3 plans. The hobby plan. At $19 per month, this plan gives you 300 minutes of audio processing and supports 1 podcast. It's great if you're just starting out or have shorter episodes. Then you have the starter plan. For $39 per month, you get 800 minutes of processing, support for multiple podcasts, and access to custom prompts. This is the sweet spot for many podcasters. And then you have the Rising Star plan. At $179 per month, this plan offers unlimited minutes of processing, multiple podcast support, and agency-level support. This is ideal for those with high volume of content. Now, if you're serious about your content creation, the starter plan is likely your best bet. It gives you a good balance of features and processing time. However, if you're just dipping your toes in or have shorter content, the hobby plan is a great entry point. And as with any service, we'd like to mention the pros and the cons, and starting with the pros. Significant time savings. You're going to enjoy automations with many tedious tasks. Versatile content repurposing. This helps you to get more mileage out of your audio. User-friendly interface. This is easy to learn and use, so the learning curve is quite gentle. Magic Chat is a wonderful and powerful way to interact with your content, and it's of course available in over 60 languages. On the flip side, reliance on AI can be a concern. While generally accurate, AI isn't perfect and you may need to make some more edits. However, if you combine the time it saves you with the time you need to make your edits, the con is not so much of a con. However, it's a point. In conclusion, Castmagic is a powerful AI tool that can significantly streamline your content creation workflow. It's especially useful for podcasters who want to repurpose their audio into various formats. The starter plan offers a great balance of features and value for most users. So, are you ready to harness the strengths of Castmagic? Well, go ahead and click on the link in the description below to explore the pricing plans, go with our suggestion, and if you found this helpful, do let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.